In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted posts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and let's get started. First off, guys, we need to open up Instagram app, and now I'm gonna open up my Instagram profile, and now I'm just gonna delete some post. Let it be that one. So I'm gonna open it up, then hit right here at three dots, then tap at delete, and then to confirm it, we need to tap right here at delete, and once it is done, the post will be immediately hidden from our Instagram profile. As you can see, it is no longer displayed here. However, actually it is not permanently deleted yet, because we can easily restore any deleted post, story, any another item within 30 days. And let me show you how we can easily do so. Right from our profile page, first off, we need to tap right here at these three lines. After that, you want to tap at your activity, and that's where we can easily find recently deleted. That's where all that deleted content is stored. That's where we can find it. Here it says that only you can see these posts, and these posts here, actually I got just one, but you may have multiple posts here. They will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown here has passed. So now within this amount of days we can open up any deleted post, and now all we have to do in order to restore it is just tap right here at this button or tap at three dots and then hit at restore. After that, tap at restore to confirm it, and that's basically it. It says here restored. We can head over back to our Instagram profile. I'm gonna refresh it now. As you can see, this post is back here again. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.